Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Today, rather quiet day. Quant is sort of moving between 170 and 180 US dollars. Overall, I have moved this target area up a little bit. You know, if we compare it to the previous video, this is moved up. And the reason for that is because I believe now that we are in the scenario where we have completed here a yellow wave 1. We're now coming down in yellow wave 2. We will afterwards move up in yellow wave 4. There will be a yellow wave 5 and the yellow wave 4 and the yellow wave 5 to complete this higher level green wave 3. So I think this is going to cascade higher at the moment, at least, you know, as long as we're holding the $116 level. If we break this level or if we get close to it, I will probably move this target area down, because there are two possibilities. There is the possibility that I see the move as we did before and as we have done so far, that the move from $40 to this high at around 135, this is the current view. This is a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2 to roughly $83, $84, and we are now moving up in the third wave. But the third wave has 5 waves, so this here was only the first one that we've been waiting for a while to complete. Now it has done it. That we are now in this wave 2, and then there will be this wave 3, 4, and 5, you know, to finish off higher wave 3, and then there will be a wave 4 and a wave 5, and so on, you know. The other possibility, though, is that all of this was already a wave 1, so that the entire move since the low at $40 is to be counted as a wave 1. I would have to change the sub waves of this, but this is possible as well. And then we would now come down in wave 2. And to be fair, then we could come down into the region $70 to $80, yeah, before we move up in the third wave. So these are the two possibilities, and it depends on how much we retrace now. But this second possibility, which is short-term more bearish, I don't see it yet. Yeah, I can't see it yet. It's a bit too far away. So I'm primarily focusing on the recurrent retracement, which ideally should get into this region between 116 and 157 US dollars. As you know, my assumption is we are coming down. I think this was a wave A to the downside. I think we are now in the B wave, and we will come down in a C wave, yeah, deeper into this area, all the way down to roughly $116. Of course, it could drop lower, but below that, I will probably switch to the scenario that we have completed a large wave 1 and we can come down much deeper. So that also, consequently, strategy wise, I will not accumulate here straight away when we hit the target range or the reversal area. I will accumulate when we get a bit lower. Maybe I will start again at around $150 or maybe around 140. I'm not entirely sure yet. I did take profits at 184. You know that I talked about it. Was the good decision. At least it looks like that at the moment. Yeah, and my view is that we are now in this B wave. Now, this could very simply run as an ABC. So the B wave itself could be an ABC, but, and that is entirely possible as long as we stay below the $195 level, below the wave A, this could become a triangle A, B, C, D, horrible, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, and then where the E wave peaks here, that would be the completion of the larger B wave, and then we come down. So this could stretch out a little bit sideways, you know. That's what we don't exactly know, and therefore price action is king. So what we need to understand is as soon as we drop or break above $195, then I think wave C of B is unfolding. This can push higher, yeah. And if we look at the retracement levels, next resistance after we break 195 will be $200.50 and $212. Only above $212 for me, it would get a little bit less likely that this is still a wave B, and we could actually already be in the general breakout of a wave 3. I can't see that yet. I think this is heading down a bit lower, but in the end, you never know. You know, this was an accumulation area of which we bounced off, but my primary expectation is that we will come down deeper into it. Yeah, I might change my view above $212, but at the moment the focus is further on the downside. Confirmation that we are coming down in this C wave is if we break below $170. And then, of course, you know, the next confirmation level will be below 157. And that's currently my view. I think this is still gonna head lower. Really, we can only talk about a breakout as soon as we break out above $227. Yeah, everything until then can just be a corrective move up, which would lead to another move down afterwards. And yeah, that's currently my view about Quant. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.